Got the FG and the FA5. We got to do some maintenance to both these today. Every time I come in here, it like amazes me on how expensive this refrigerant is. Like, look at this. Yeah. $24. And then even for these small ones, it's like 10 bucks. It's crazy. We got the Easy Chill AC. We're gonna show you how to recharge your air conditioning system. This process is pretty much the same for most cars and all the generations of Hondas. 2006 to 2011 though, 8th gen.
8th gen SI, Civic.
First thing we gotta do today, Bill, we gotta turn the car on, and then we're gonna blast the AC to max real quick so I can get a reading and see what the pressure is in your AC lines. We're gonna put his AC onto full blast, max AC. So the service port for the K20 Z3 engine is going to be right here. You're gonna look for a little symbol, a letter that says L, and that's your low service AC port for the air conditioning system.
Hook it up and read the pressure on it and see what she's at.
All right, don't press anything yet, just put it right on there, dude. Indicating that his system is filled. I'm gonna check and see what mine's at for PSI, just to be on the safe side. Look at that. So we're gonna add a little bit more in here. All you gotta do is shake the can, hold it upside down for a few seconds, and just get some refrigerant. Let us know what you think.
And comment what tutorials you guys want to see next.
Yeah, what do you want to see next, man? I mean, I'm getting up with mileage on this car. Eventually, I'm probably going to have to do a water pump. I still need to do a chain tensioner. What are you going to need to do, Bill?
I recently hit 100K on my vehicle.
Yeah.
So typically around then the clutch goes. The clutch hasn't gone so far. It's still good. I got a new master cylinder in it, so she's doing good. Training seems to be good.
You're probably going to need to do suspension or
some suspension, maybe swap out the coolant.
Brakes.
Yeah, brakes.
I need to do brakes on mine too, so
maybe some new brake pads.
Definitely more do-it-yourself coming for the both of these cars, coming very soon.
And remember,
never stop wrenching.